This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles Madras Samayal style. First, combine all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them together thoroughly. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients until well combined. This ensures a smooth batter without lumps. Having everything ready makes the process much easier and more enjoyable. Remember to preheat your waffle iron while you prepare the batter for optimal results. Now it's time to combine your wet and dry mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and gently fold them together. Be careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, resulting in a lighter, fluffier waffle texture. With your batter rested and your waffle iron hot, it's time to cook. Lightly grease the iron plates to prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of each section, or enough to fill it without overflowing. Close the lid and cook until the waffles are golden brown and the steam stops. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your iron. Your delicious Madras Samayal waffles are ready. Serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. You can enjoy them with traditional toppings like coconut chutney or a spicy sambar, or go for classic maple syrup and fresh fruit. Leftover waffles can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days and easily reheated in a toaster or oven for a quick treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.